AnyJobs is a mobile application that allows you to sign up, log in, and when you log in, you see a dashboard full of service providers. You can search through the services near your area. Let's say Seven Oaks. It's near my area and I can reach out to them by calling them or emailing them. I can even become a service provider myself. Let's say I want people to avail my services as a technician by calling me at my phone number. Post. My ad is posted on the database that AnyJobs provide. I can even later on edit my ad by saying, "Hey, this is Sahib." Post. I can even delete the ad that I provided before.